Hi, my name is Tom Hadaway. I'm with the Stan Weaver Company, and on this video short, we're going to show you how to change a relay output on an ABB ACH 580 drive. We're going to use relay 2 and set it to running. Menu, select I/O, cursor down to relay 2, select, go to Source, Edit, select Running, save, and then back out to the home screen. I'm going to go back into I/O. So you'll see relay 2 has a value of 0. Once we start the drive, it goes to 1, showing that the relay is energized. And when we turn it off, it's de-energized.